Alright guys, so I was at the local grocery store and I saw this. This was actually kind of neat. This was in the health section of the grocery store. So it is new, Special K, but it has coconut, cranberries, almonds, and it's got things like quinoa flakes. Look at that. So let's take a look at the ingredients here. It does have some sugar there, 11 grams. And if you guys want to read this, pause it. But let's zoom in a bit. There we go. And that is, of course, French. Let's look at this side. There you go. If you guys want to read that, pause it. It does have a lot of things like, you'll see rice flour. It has wheat, so it's not gluten-free. It does contain things like oat, wheat, soy, barley, so it's not gluten-free. But let's open this up and do a quick taste test for you guys. But it does have, it says right there, no artificial flavors and colors. So let's see what it looks like. Wow, so there it is. As you can see, it does have the coconuts, it does have the cranberry. Let's do a quick taste test. It has quite a bit of sugar. The flakes are coated in sugar. It would have been a lot better if they didn't sugar coat everything. But if you have any questions, comment, guys, post below or subscribe to the channel.